Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to showcase the tires that we run on our 2012 John Deere Gator XUV 550 S4. The S4 I believe stands for it's a 4-seater. As you guys can see, it has two bench seats there. So I wanted to show you guys the tire option. We do run this unit primarily on asphalt. 99% of the time it is always on asphalt, and we were burning through tires pretty rapidly with this particular unit. I actually was using this unit, I believe came with the CST Terrahawks. I did a review on that in another video, and those work really great on our 825i. But not so much on this. We were burning through, and I believe it was due to the way the suspension is on this unit. Not sure if that's what was causing us to eat through the tires, but so we went with a little bit of a street tire here. So I'll get a close up there for you. Almost looks like a golf cart type tire. However, I don't believe golf cart type tires or size will fit on this on the Gator here. So it's this is actually made by Carlisle. Made in USA. Didn't know that actually, guys. Look at that. And it is called the Industrial Trax. Industrial Trax to the tire. And then the tire size for the rear, 25 by 1050 by 12 NHS. As you can see, we'll get a little close up at the tread here. These tires are probably, I want to say, about 2 years old on this unit. It's amazing. These tires have been absolutely great. We would definitely run them the next set on these. So we'll go to the front here. And in the front, this is where I was saying the golf cart tire won't fit, because it is a 25 by 350 by 12. And again, same thing, Industrial Trax. And the front here, so you can kind of see the wear here. This is what I was talking about on the, we were running the Terrahawks. It was just eating for the tires. And then even on this tire, you can see that it's kind of wearing a little uneven here. And again, I think that's due to the suspension on this. We've had it looked at several times, but never seems to correct it. So as you can kind of see, it does wear out. But again, you know, the wear on this after being 2 years old is great. I definitely highly recommend these tires for those guys that are running on the asphalt 99% of the time. And again, it's the Carlisle Industrial Trax, made in the USA. And then again, that's your size for the front, and then your size for the rear. And this is for the John Deere Gator XUV 550 S4. Overall, this unit, I won't go into too much detail. This unit's been okay. For whatever reason, they did decide to go with the Briggs & Stratton motor in this unit. It's not been the greatest. I believe we've actually gone for 2 motors on this particular unit, and it is a 2012. But overall, it's a great running unit, and I think they've worked out the bugs in the latest motor. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one.